Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we're gonna talk about Oppo Enco W51 true wireless in-ear headphones. These are the latest addition to the in-ear headphones family from Oppo. We did review the Oppo Enco W31s a few weeks back and we loved them, and I am sure we're gonna love these as well, but we're gonna find out first what's inside this box, and then we're going to talk about what kind of power these bad boys pack. So let's get straight on to finding out what's inside it. But before I do that, can I please ask you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon so that I continue to get all the motivation and you get all the notifications as well. And also keep watching this video till the end, because through these clues during the video, I'm going to announce a competition and the lucky winner is going to get a chance to win this pair of Oppo Enco W51s. So let's get straight on to unboxing this and finding out what's inside it. Hello guys, I'm back again, and today we are talking about Oppo Enco W51 true wireless in-ear headphones from Oppo. These are the latest one that they launched. Inside the box we found out this beautiful case with all the tips for you to suit your size so that you get all the comfort, a charging cable of course, which is USB Type-C, and this beautiful looking box. Now they've given up on the round box that was there in the last version, and this is the one. As I open it, straight away goes into the pairing mode, and they look absolutely stunning, and they have this beautiful look and feel to it straight out, including the box, which is a great looking piece and a very small one as well, so you can just slide it in your pocket. Now, one of the things that we all want to see in our headphones is, along with the quality of sound and everything, is the battery life. So I'm going to start with that. So now these come with, including the case, it has a battery life of 24 hours. Now, which simply means that once you charge this with it fully, you are good to go for 24 hours. That means if you use these headphones for 4 hours every day, you don't have to charge this for 1 week. And to top it up and make it even better so that you don't have to worry about plugging it in, these are QI wireless charging enabled. So all you have to do is place them on a QI charging mat and they do the job for you. Now, this is absolutely brilliant when it comes to, the battery and the life of it. Now, again, the second important thing that we look in the headphones is the quality of sound. Now, this is a great headphones for both calls and music. Now, this delivers a great quality music by a combination of 6 microphones with a deep noise reduction algorithm. Now, combining those two things together, you have a great quality sound, which means whether you are in a noisy area or the person on the other side of the call is in the noisy area, you get to hear absolutely crystal clear sound. Now, even that means even if you're riding a bike, you still use them at great quality sound, and because of this advanced algorithm. Now, the second important thing is that how loud is the noise reduction and how does it impact the quality of sound. Now, this is an absolutely advanced noise reduction algorithm, which means the audio quality is not compromised at all, and whatever the loss of audio quality is there, it is compensated by a system-wide audio quality compensation algorithm to make sure that your music is crystal clear, you're hearing the right beats and you're hearing the right sound, and the call quality when you're having a conversation with your friends, family or business associate is as crystal clear as well. Now, of course, Bluetooth 5.0 with an ultra low latency, which means lag-free transmission, a great looking design as you can see, I absolutely love it, and an IP4 dust and water resistance, so you don't have to worry about using them in your gym and sweating it out or going out on a desert safari if you all, and these are absolutely safe from all that. And last but not the least is it's got all the captive touch controls. Now these are very intuitive tap controls which are easy to use. To give you an example, you tap the left earphone twice, you get enable or disable the active noise cancellation mode, which means you have a better battery life, of course, with that ANC turned off. But yes, it still does a 24-hour job for you. You tap the right earphone twice, you move on to the next song, and you tap any of the headphones 3 times, you wake up the voice assistant, which means they work beautifully well with Google Talk and Siri both. Great stuff, guys. This is Oppo Enco W51 true wireless in-ear headphones. And as I talked about giving these away, now all you have to tell me in the comments below and share it with your friends and like this video is how many times during this video I have used the word Oppo Enco W51. The one who get the right answer will get a chance to win. And the more you like, share and comment with these, you have better chances of winning, because we're going to multiply your entries with every share, with every comment and every like on this video. So guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist signing off and saying goodbye, and keep yourself safe. Peace.